A download manager is a tool that helps boost your download speed, organize your files, and even resume broken downloads. In this video, I'll show you how to get one of the best internet download manager for free without using any crack. Open your browser. Open a new tab. Type Abi Download Manager. Subscribe to our channel if you have not done so. Press the Enter key on your keyboard to search. Click on the first result here. Here is official website for Abi Download Manager. Make sure you are following my steps. Click on Get Up. Here you have to choose platform. In my case, I am using Windows. For those using Linux or Mac, you should use the options there. The right section which talks about extensions. Don't worry, this video also covers how to install the extensions. I'm using Windows, so I select that. Do you want the file to download as X file or zip? Select your preferred option. Yes, this is Free Download Manager. I also have a video on how to download and set up Free Download Manager. It's also one of the best. Check description below. I made a video earlier on how you can download and an IDM extension in Google Chrome. Check description below for video. Subscribe to this channel for more free tips on software if you have not done so. Abi Download Manager setup file is downloading. We have other videos you will love. Please check description below. Setup file is downloaded. Now let's go over installation process. Go to download in your computer, copy or cut full to desktop. Now right-click on the file, then extract. If you don't know how to set up zip files extractor, there's a video below for you. Here is the extracted folder. Open the folder. Now right-click on Abi Download Manager. Click on Open or Run as administrator. Then click on Run. Wait for some seconds. Abi Download Manager has installed successfully. Now let's set up Chrome extensions. Click on Tools. Download Browser Integration, then Google Chrome. This will automatically take you to Abi Download Chrome extension. Click on Add Extension. Extension added successfully. Now let's try downloading a file. Abi Download extension installed and Chrome extension added, so it's working perfectly. Here is the file link you want to download. You can click on the folder icon to select where the file will save after download. Mine here, I'll prefer download, then click on select folder. Next is the file name. You can choose to rename or leave default. Click download next. If you followed this video step by step, then congratulations, Abi Download Manager is working perfectly well. Subscribe to our channel if this video was helpful. Comment your thoughts below. What video should I make next? See my next videos in description below. Love you. Bye.